Hello everyone, we are Team Comma Pi. My name is Zhiyi Ma.
My name is Tianying Han.
My name is Zihao.
We're presenting you this project called London Atlas. It's an economic assistant you reach by phone call. It's grounded in real London data built natively with the NVIDIA AI stack on GP10 and show it's working as a live tiles on screen as it speaks. We're submitting for the economic systems. Here's the demo.
Hello, I'm gonna show you the demo. So as in the home screen, you can see there's a big talk button on the top. We want to make it super convenient and accessible for users who doesn't have a technical background to use the app. So when I press on the talk, a voice agent would start talk to me and lead me through the process.
Hello, you've reached Kaumapi. Tell me what you need. Business, money, housing, anything, and I'll get you an answer.
Hello, I need help with housing.
Let me put you through to our housing expert, who can help you with that right away.
Hi, I'm the housing expert. Before I suggest anything, let me understand what you need. Are you renting, buying, or just exploring?
So here the concierge agent will quickly wire me to the specialized agent on housing topics. Now let me continue talking to her.
I didn't quite catch that. Could you please tell me if you are looking to rent, buy, or just exploring your housing options?
I'm looking for renting a new apartment in the Hackney area. My budget is around 1,000 per month. I live by myself and I want to live in a quiet place. So tell me if it's realistic for my budget.
Thanks for letting me know you're looking to rent in Hackney. To help me narrow things down, where in London do you need to get to regularly?
I have work in Hackney as well.
Okay. I've got a good picture of what you're looking for. Here's a summary of your housing brief. So, you're looking to rent in Hackney for about £1,000 a month, just for yourself. And a quiet place is important. You also work in Hackney. Now let me check with the housing specialist to see what's realistic for your budget in Hackney. How's your day going so far? I'm checking with the specialist about your budget and area. This might take a moment.
So you can see here the housing specialist agent summarized my requirements and then it correctly wires the query to the DGX local agent to query for the specific data I need, which is going to take a while. So meanwhile, let's just do some chit chat with the agent. I'm doing fine.
It seems the
how are you
specialist
doing?
is taking a little longer than expected to get back to me. I'm just checking in with them again to get that information for you.
That's totally fine, thank you. How are you doing today?
I've checked with the specialist, and it looks like £1,000 a month for a private one-bedroom flat in Hackney is probably not realistic right now. Private rents for a one-bedroom in Hackney are typically much higher, often between £1,600 and £2,200 a month. Here's what the data shows for social housing rents, which are usually accessed through waiting lists.
Okay, I'll pause here, and here you can see the agent return the data that I need, and then I can keep talking to her to get more data, or I can also use the text chat ability, which has all the transcript here. So that's a very basic demonstration of how the core feature works. So let's end that. And then it will generate a summary of what we talked about for me for the future use. And then meanwhile, from here you can also see our past chats where it would provide a summary of what we talked about. And then based on the agent's based on the core memories from the past, the service would also be able to push me some relevant informations or news where then I can also start a chat with the assistant.
Okay. And now is my turn to talk more about our engineer side. So there's definitely more details on our Git repos. And we'll start with the front end is we use the Vite and React, and this voice IDK, we use VLAN to power our voice agents. And we also use the NVIDIA NeMo Agent Toolkit to power our agent to do the like a data explorer and search. And we also have like a Fast API as a backend, and the Redis to for the cache. And for the data tools, we use the DuckDB MCP and also the CordrainDB to power all those like open data storage and retrieval for the agents. And for the models wise, we use all sides of Nemotron. So we have like Ultra and for the Nevis to like fast deployment. And for the privacy mode, we can use a local version that stored in a DJI Spark. And we also use a parse and embedding model from Nemotron to deliver. And for the bottleneck, it's just we usually found that like a Nemotron stripper is for like good for strong reading, but it's it cannot host in the DJI Spark. And then we trade off like this some model size with the nano with NVFP4, which just can deliver like 50 tokens per second. And then we also found this massive tabular data was very difficult. And then we also trying to search like a DuckDB MCP to let the agent to power that.